What we've been doing is bringing together founders, investors, mentors, subject matter experts, and industry folks to really create an unmatched in-person experience. The AGTECH Accelerator, we're hyper-focused on helping companies win. We want to make sure that they're well capitalized, they're well mentored, and then we also want to make sure they're actively selling and connected to their customer.
Innovate UK is the UK's national innovation agency, and our mission really is to support UK small to medium-sized businesses through the development and commercialization of new products, services and processes. Saskatchewan has a very vibrant startup culture. It provides renowned education and a very well-developed innovation ecosystem, world-class transportation, logistic infrastructure. So it's a fantastic opportunity for UK businesses in the agri-tech sector to look at exploring the opportunities in Saskatchewan and in Canada. During our first visit when programming commenced, the program provided a fantastic opportunity for the UK businesses to consider technology and market fit, customer validation, and to develop new relationships. And that has really helped them to better present their business, their products, and their value proposition.
AGTECH Accelerator program helps us by connecting AgTelligence to academia, business partner, and investors. In the last few months, we aligned with other founders. So we had a great collaboration with this institution, and that helps us to validate our customer and go-to-market plan.
The AGTECH Accelerator has propelled Biome to future growth through exposure to investors who have validated the milestones we're currently working towards, meeting partners and potential collaborators in Canada who will be able to support us in the future through things like manufacturing, and meeting a variety of other founders innovating in AgTech, which has resulted in lots of interesting introductions.
Oh, by far the connections. I mean, the people I met, not just in Regina, but the people who came to Regina, whether it's from the UK, Australia, but also wider Canada. It's a very giving and trust-based community here, so there are people I know I can call up when I travel, and that's quite a big thing.
So any kind of product or service that you need to scale, I mean, this is the kind of space you do it in. It's a massive, massive opportunity for anybody in AgTech to really jump in and see how they could add value.
So as a UK company, the AGTECH Accelerator has really helped us in identifying market opportunity in Canada much sooner than we'd otherwise have done so. It's great to have been able to go through this program with other founders who've gone through the same experiences as we have, and we can help teach us lessons before we have to go through them ourselves.
The benefits of the Global Incubator program and our partnership with Cultivator are really massive. It's an opportunity to develop new relationships, meet new people, and having the right international partner is an excellent opportunity to drive innovation. And these new innovative ideas provide significant business opportunities.